Hi, welcome to How to Repair. As you all know, I've been up in the mountains riding the motorbike for the last couple of weeks, and I wanted a night out, so I came down to a place called León, which is on the north end of Spain, and basically we were looking for a campsite, and we actually found a very good location. This is a central parking location in the city. It doesn't cost anything, and basically the facilities are pretty basic. You've got grey water dumping, you've also got toilet cassette facilities and also fresh water. There's no power supply here, but the security is, I would say, good. I've got the motorbike on the back of the camper and I was a little bit worried, but I was able to back up to the fence. Turning in here is a little bit tricky when you're a 9-meter rig, but it was a good camping location. The reason we came down here is we wanted a night out, and originally I was deciding to go out for a meal, but I didn't realise that with every beer you buy they give you a tapas. So by the time I'd had my fill on beer, I was already full, so I didn't even have to buy a meal. Really nice walk into town. Only takes 10 to 15 minutes to get into the centre, and also there are laundry facilities within a 5-minute walk, and there's also a couple of big supermarkets here as well. Let me just quickly walk you through this parking facility. Okay, nice hard standing for dropping your water off. You have got freshwater facility on one side and toilet cassette on the other. You've got a good perimeter fence that you can back your vehicle up to if you do have bicycles or motorbikes on the back. This is roughly a 10 to 15 minute walk to the cathedral in the centre of the city, and that's where the bars and everything are, just off there. Excellent nightlife, thoroughly enjoyed myself, and I didn't get back in until 3 o'clock in the morning, so it was a very good night. A few too many beers, but plenty of tapas. Now, as you can see, my camper is on the very maximum that you can have in here. I'm actually 9 meters with the motorbike on the back, so I'm just on the edge of the line, which is acceptable. Quite easy to get in, but it is a little bit crammed. This is low season, remember, and it's still full. So in the summer, I imagine it's a lot fuller. And there you go. I hope you enjoyed this quick review. I would give it a 3.5 star rating out of 5. The only reason being is there's no electricity hookup and it is a little bit noisy, but it is in the centre of the city. Anyway, we're off now, heading for Barcelona, and I'll be doing a few more reviews on the way. Thanks very much indeed for watching.